Hi, I'm Jenny. I'm from Germany, and together with my car D'Artagnan, I'm touring Europe, doing house sits, and explore beautiful places in historic cities and nature. Come along! After a magical time close to the lake by Fort Williams doing the steam engine train ride used for Harry Potter when he was going to Hogwarts, I am finally on my way further north to Ullapool, enjoying the amazing landscape and castles. I'm walking high above the cliffs of Clachtoll, the grass soft beneath my steps. Sheep are wandering like keepers of the wind. Below me, white sands glow as bright as the Caribbean, yet wrapped in the wild mist of Scotland. The sea curls into secret bays, half hidden, half revealed, as if the land itself is dreaming. Here, at the edge of the world, I walk in a place where time feels endless, and the earth whispers its ancient song. finally I find the time to enjoy Astrid's Super Thanks invitation. Thank you so much, Astrid. Oxford, a city of dreaming spires where scholars have walked for over 900 years. In the covered market, Alice of Wonderland figures dangle from the ceiling, a playful nod to stories born here. I choose to step inside Trinity College, founded in 1555 by Sir Thomas Pope. In its chapel, Pope rests alongside his wife, beneath carved wood and quiet light. Walking through the gardens and courtyards, I feel the weight of centuries held in a place of calm beauty. At the Bodleian's library's entrance, a stone book hangs above me as if to whisper that knowledge itself is sacred. This doorway once became Hogwarts when Oxford stood in for the world of Harry Potter. Oxford is full of little surprises. On this column by the river, I found a poem by a Florose poet. The words felt too beautiful to just pass by. A love story. Take me, I'm yours. Search my body for stories that I cannot tell myself. Our hearts know the truth. Rummage around in me for what you need. You'll find it there. I promise. Our love is hidden in those looks that just know, in holding hands in streets that try to own us and tell us what person we need to be today. But we create our own infamy, our secret smiles and touches that we only use for each other, making worlds and words burn into flames that only you and I can look into. For others, it is too bright, too much, too messed up to have existence on a planet that cannot cope with fire.